we are bringing you a football touchdown game. Unlike your typical touchdowns, this one's a touchdown to the ground. And we're going to do it as a team minute-to-win-it style game. So we're going to see in 60 seconds how many times we can throw it back and forth and catch it. But the twist is, every time you throw it, you've got a touchdown to the ground. You hope that the person next to you catches it. If they do, they throw it. And then they've got to touch the ground. And you just go back and forth, back and forth. The twist is, as well, you can only hold it for like 1 second. So you can't wait for the other person to stand back up. You've just got to see who can do it the most times. So if you're playing in large group, you can pair up in teams of 2 and see which team gets the most. Right now, we're just going to see if we can beat our previous record as we play. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to get the timer going. You throw first. On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh, you're playing eyes closed. That's going to make it super difficult. Pretty crazy. 3. Oh!
Where was that gun?
All right, throw it. 4. Oh, 5. 6. 7. 8. Hey, we're doing pretty good. 9. 10. 11. Whoa, I almost lost it. 12. Oh, 11. 12. 13. 28. 29. 30. We've got, what, 11 seconds. Oh, I turned around. I shouldn't have. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. Oh, 36. Whoa, 37! Made it just in time. High five. 37 points. That was a pretty good number. Not only is it fun, but it's also a nice workout, huh? Get some good exercise. Should we try it again and see if we can get even more?
100.
100? He wants to see if we can get 100. We're gonna keep trying it. In the meantime, we hope you have a lot of fun playing it. Let us know what your high score is in the comments down below, how many your team can get in 60 seconds. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.